Disclaimer, this video was made a while ago, like a month ago, but I'm just posting it now because I haven't been editing it. But hopefully you enjoyed the video still. I made this when I had before my spring drop. So I'm sorry for the delay, but I will get back on track. Thank you guys for watching. What's up, YouTube? It's Jay from BigBandz Apparel. Today, I'll be going to show you how I'm gonna do our order. This is a custom order, so it got different colors, but it got my design. If it's somebody local, so I'm not gonna package the order or nothing. Here go the designs I'm doing. I'm doing this one to make money, and I'm doing to keep your head up. They have different colors. I wrote it down for. They have different colors, as you see. They got charcoal, the yellow text for the do the best you can. They got royal blue for the pink text, keep your head up, and red for the white, make money. So here got the little zip ups. They order zip ups, so decided to do that. Let's get right into this process. So first I gotta find the designs and then try to measure them out, see how they look on the shirt. Okay, I'm finna lay the hoodies out. Got the red, got the charcoal, got the blue. Got my tape measure. Ignore the cat. He's just in the way. Okay, so let me lay it down. Here it go. Go be down here. Probably do like 4-finger method. Probably a little bit more down, more in the middle. Put it right there. And I'm finna measure it. Here's the design that we're gonna do for the blue zip up. Keep your head up, covers most of the hoodie in the front, a little bit down. I say about like 7 inches or something. So I'm finna measure all these hoodies, get all the measurements, put them in my little notes tab, and then I'll meet you guys downstairs in the laboratory. Now I got my measurements. Here they are. I got my hoodies lined up over here. By the way, if you don't know what vinyl I use the Smart Iron. It's actually not, it's heat transfer vinyl. There we go, heat transfer vinyl. Come in this little thing, get it from Michael's, wherever a local craft store is. Got the white, got the yellow, got the pink. Boom. You see it's too big, so I gotta change it. But let me look at my little instructions. I'm doing the pink one first, keep your head up. With 10, so change that to 10. As you see, this one gonna change. Hold on, I'm gonna let it focus. The second one, the H gonna change. You see how I changed to 4 to keep the little resolution thing. If you don't want that to happen, click on this lock, and then you can cut it, put in custom stuff. But I want that, so Control Z, got that back. 10. All right, and then click make it. You mirror it because it's vinyl, as you see. Now you're gonna get your mat, but since I'm using Smart Thing, this only works for the Cricut Explorer 3 or Cricut 3 because it's 13 inches, my bad, 13 inches. I'm not using the mat, so let me turn off that without mat, and let me click continue. As you see, I gotta connect my Cricut because it say no device found. The way I do it is I try to find this little cord and plug it in to the computer. But you can also do this from your phone, so you don't need a computer for this. As you see, it's loading. All this stuff pop up. Smart Iron On. If it's not there, you can look it up. More pressure always. And then set all that up. We good, that thing blinking. It's time to go. So, let me look in the light. You see how shiny this is? Put it down. Yeah. Bam, fit in another groove. Other little groove. I push it in there a little bit, make sure everything right. Then, now it's gonna print out the design. I'm gonna do this for the rest of the designs and I'll be back. It says unload, so it's done. Same button, boom, it come out. All right. Let's see the, yep, you can see the design on that. I recommend getting a portable vinyl trimmer. If you didn't hear that, it was in my first video. If you're new, also remember to subscribe and join the journey. Make sure you find your design so you don't cut your design. I go into the light. I'm gonna go up a little bit. All right, let me cut this real quick. Boom, simple process. Now we just got the design by itself before you want to weed out all this. So as you see, I'm gonna start with the pink design. Line it up how I want it. Cut it down the middle. And then put it on each side before I won't like mess up. So as you see, I cut out the designs. It was real easy. I just put this on top of here, like this up with the little zippers on top and bottom, and it was good. Plus the design already had like a little split. So let me just line it up to the edge. Let me do this with this one. Temperature 315, time 25 seconds. I should have pre-pressed it, but it's all right. Got my Teflon sheet. Press down, start the timer. All right, lift this up, move it to the side, and I'll let this sit for a few minutes. All right, the timer on off, had it on for like 2 to 3 minutes. Looking good, looking good. Finna peel it off. Okay, here's the hoodie. I don't know why I look purple on it, but it's pink and blue. Finna move this so I won't heat it up. Finna put it over here, finish the rest, and we good. All right, guys, here's the other hoodies. This is the second one. You see, you got the lightning design. Do the best you can. This is one of the favorites. Got the BigBandz zip up, red and white. They're going together real nice. Then we got the little star. Got to make money. So, appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and join my journey.